Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my new iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 64 gigs, and obviously it's green. This one, I just got it today. There it is. Obviously I've already opened it up just so that way I can download the new iOS 3.1. So it's downloading right now. I personally like how it looks with the green. I was debating if I was gonna get the white or just go simple and go black again, but I think green looks nice personally. And obviously you have your little introduction here with the traditional Apple stickers and your SIM card. Also it comes with a new I think this is a 30-watt charger or 18-watt, I'm not too sure, but this is a new charging port. And then sadly it still comes with earphones, regular earphones, and we have a new charging cable, and this one comes from USB-C to Lightning. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. I'm just gonna peel out the sticker. So yeah, obviously you have your telephoto, wide, and ultra wide lens in the back here. I'm not gonna lie, the 3-lens camera has grown on me. A lot of people didn't like it because they said they had some phobia. I think it's trypophobia, something around the lines like that. But personally, I truly like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna install it. Maybe I'll do a review or I'll do some future videos about it. Thank you.